rainy day here in Harlem. We've got a storm that's hitting us here in New York City. Of course, it's a storm that has spread all across the country, at least the East Coast, all the way down to Florida, as I understand it. So, making the best of it. It really is beautiful when you look at the snow that has blanketed the city. It's just really a nice time of the year. Yeah, it's cold, but so what? So what? Off today, but I have several errands that I need to run, so I'm gonna head down to 125th Street. As you may know, 125th Street is a very well-known street in Harlem. So I'm gonna leave out in a few minutes, and I think I'm gonna catch the train as opposed to walking. Not because it's cold, but because of the snow on the ground. But I may change my mind. But as it stands now, I think I'm just gonna jump on the train. First, I'm going to actually get another cup of coffee. I think I've had 4 cups today, at least. Probably 3. This next one will be 4. I think I should cut back on coffee, my coffee consumption. Really, it needs to be cut back some. We got some serious snow. This is some serious snow. I love it. I absolutely love it. The wind blew the sign off the pole. So in addition to Staples, I went to Marshall's and CVS, but I just sort of cut it short. The snow is beautiful, but it's really windy, and it makes it difficult to walk around. But I really enjoyed being out there. It's still snowing, so we'll see just how much snow we end up getting. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and then hit the like button as well. I'd appreciate that. And stay tuned. Actually, you can even turn on your notifications so you can get an update when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Till next time. Suavington.